In the peaceful town of Greenwood, Dr. Benjamin Reed was a revered professor known for his intelligence, kindness, and dedication to his students. Despite his academic pursuits, he valued personal connections, warmly greeted by residents as he walked through the town's tree-lined streets. One spring day, Dr. Reed received a heartfelt letter from Emily, a former student, expressing gratitude for his guidance. Touched, he surprised her with a visit to the city where she now lived. Their reunion was filled with joy and reminiscence as they shared stories over tea. As the sun set, Dr. Reed bid farewell to Emily, confident in her abilities. He continued to inspire students, leaving a legacy of kindness and academic excellence in Greenwood and beyond. Dr. Benjamin Reed's story underscores the profound impact of mentorship and the importance of nurturing both intellect and heart. In Greenwood, he was more than a professor. He was a guiding light, shaping futures with his unwavering dedication and compassion. Dr. Reed's legacy lived on in the town of Greenwood, where students thrived under the influence of his wisdom and kindness.